Hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today, as you can see, I am on my back patio, the indoor portion of it. I want to decorate it for spring. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing today, just keep on watching. Now guys, I love to decorate this space for spring and summer, but that's coming later because I find myself hanging out here the majority of the day. After I get everything done in my house that I need to do for the day, I end up coming out here. I bring my laptop out here, do a little work. I do my reading of my Bible. I watch TV out here. I eat out here. So it's a must-have that I decorate the space. Now, my outdoor portion I will do later because I don't know if you can tell. It's gloomy, it's cloudy, and we are expecting rain yet again. It's hot though. I think we're reaching 90 degrees. So I'm loving that, maybe, but the rain, it's a different story. So I'm gonna decorate this space with things I already have on hand. I also have one new piece, which I shared in a recent haul that I'll be adding to the space. But again, everything that you see will be things that I have on hand. So let's get decorating. So this is how the space looks right now. I have cleaned it and it's ready to go. The one thing that hubby and I did, we brought the rug that we had out on our gazebo last year. We brought it in. So I'll be looking for a new rug for that area. But I like to pretty much do black and, I was gonna say black and white, but it's basically black and tan in here. So I'm gonna keep that up. And I may add a splash of a little color. But I like it calm and cozy in this space. So let's get started. I have a question for you guys about outdoor cushions. If you know of a place that does custom cushions, drop me a comment in the comment section below. Because this was like a DIY a couple of years ago, and I'm so over it now. I want to get some cushions to fit this set that we've had for over 10 years. I'm pushing 12 from Sam's Club, and I'm not parting with it. It's heavy duty, nothing is wrong with it, but we've had to replace the cushions on it. And as you can see, it's hard to fit. So I do need something custom and durable. So if you know of any place that does custom cushions for outdoors, let me know. Let your girl know. Okay. Right now we're gonna add some pillows. I was gonna say pillow covers. And it's these that I've already had. It's a set of 4 off of Amazon. So add one in this chair. This is this chair I usually sit in. And this cute little bunny, because you know I have to have bunnies, right? This set that I'm talking about from Sam's that I've had for over 10 years or so, it consists of a sofa and 2 chairs. And like I said, I love the set. It's not going anywhere. Heavy duty. Again, I love it. Here are the other 2 pillows too. The set of 4 from Amazon. This one says Hello Spring. And the true meaning of the season, He is risen. Alright. And of course, these don't go anywhere either. I've had this on my patio, I can guarantee you about 3 years. Been doing the black and white. So these are staples to the space, alright? Staple pillow to the space is this oblong pillow, also pillow cover, excuse me, from Amazon that says Blessed. Now I have 2 more pillows like this. I'm going to use them probably somewhere outdoors. We'll see. But for now, I'm going to move these aside. Chair that my grandson and I absolutely love. I'm going to place another Blessed pillow in this chair. Now this space, my Florida room, is glassed in, and we do have an AC. Alright, an AC unit out here. So I'm going to bring in like a throw, because sometimes it is freezing out here. So that's a must do. Over in the corner, I do have a table. I know you probably can barely see it due to shed blocking my light, which I'm loving. I do have a table over there, so I'm going to bring in this lamp. I know the lampshade is not spring. I'm going to change it later, but I do want some light back here, so I'm going to bring this in. So what I'm loving is this. So I have to go shopping and buy me maybe like an off-white, not so dramatic lampshade. But for now, this will do. And to go along with that table, I'm placing my bunnies that I purchased from my thrift store, local upscale resale store. It was marked $12, and I got it at, I think, 20% off. So they're gonna look super cute over there, the mama and baby. And that pop of green on those bunnies, it's just a small touch that I'm going to add to the space. For my table, I'm going to keep it simple by placing this beautiful tiered stand here on top. And I may put some greenery here, but also leave some space for when you want to come out here and nibble on snacks, drinks, etc. Dress it up just a tad bit and keep it simple on this table.
Well, loves, that's all I have for you in today's video. I hope that this has inspired you to decorate your back patio, your Florida room, your screened-in area for the upcoming spring season. If you're planning on entertaining or you just want a relaxing space for your family or yourself, decorate your space and make it beautiful. If you are new here, welcome to the channel and welcome to my home. And I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Double click that bell so you'll be notified of all uploads here at Kimberly Davis, A Blessed Home. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I also have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. You hold a special place in my heart. I love you guys so much, and I am truly blessed that you are a part of our blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.